Welcome to official SLTV channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video and press the red button. Please help me to share my video.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It depends on the time and when you go listen to this audio. My people in our salon today, na Sunday, March 16, 2025, with me, una humble servant, Piero Samora. My people in our salon today, I get two messages for una again.
Una Yeri?
My first message now today, my people, na the cry we certain community there, na Makeni. Then send transport for me, Pierre Samora, for make I go on the ground and go see them concern and complain with them they lay to me. Some of this community, na Mabente community, na Makeni, Makari community, Masumbu community, and Matinka community. All this community here they suffer electricity crisis as I talk to Nana me people. Ever in the history of Salou, from where the APC government give Makeni electricity, now under this SLPP government, the Makeni people and don't begin raise concern and don't begin cry for electricity crisis. That will be my first message today, because myself don't go in person, I don't go see for myself, not to then say. My second message today,
This
my
one
people,
that big problem.
now today with brothers and sisters, we say they support Dr. Kefala Mara. I go come and clear the air today about the challenges we are the face with them people. Because I see so many of Dr. Kefala Mara is supported. They remove me in them groups then. The reason why then they remove me in them groups then, they say, me not to go pan Kefala Mara in activities then for go coverage. And then they can say Kefala Mara na mi bora, anything we put on pan, me na the person wait for take the lead for can supporter. Well, the reason why I decide for can clear the ear today, una go patient and listen and get the full package. Because this, I don't suffer this casualty.
So
I don't suffer this attack. I've been decide not for say anything about this. But today, I go can clear the ear and for make the public understand me on Piero Samora me position. Before I go on with this message today, me people, I want to continue for remember, we brothers and sisters na the diaspora, we brothers and sisters na the country, una way God give the upper hand. For make we all come together na the put we hands them na the head of the poor people and the suffering masses. You know, we country for now, not easy, thing difficult, and the hardship na add every day. And this na the holy month of Ramadan. Now the Lord Almighty Allah, according to what we see now the books there, where in the Lord Almighty Allah put down at this ground, he say the Ramadan in benefit, they say no angel for can check or calculate the benefit where they inside this Ramadan. He say in the Lord Almighty Allah, now in the Sidon and check the percentage of goodness where they inside this holy month of Ramadan. So now that make we encourage we brothers and sisters there across the world for make we all come together and be part of the benefit we inside this month or inside this holy month of Ramadan. Make we can the aid and support we people. Make we can the aid of the people and do good inside this holy month of Ramadan. Let we all come together and for the part of the benefit we inside this holy month of Ramadan. We no go tire for talk. Today, some people who say they heart them day. Some man and girlfriend elect anything that girlfriend they ask her, they pull out speed. Even though the Quran or the Islam condemn that, say we not for associate with self with bamboo. But today, most of the money man then, now that area then they invest the money. Most of the money man then today, now club then they go build. Most of the money man then today, now bad and then they go OP. Go now the expensive beach then till they make you see the bad way then they open day. When he asks, then go tell you say na social politics and nangeya. When he asks, then go tell you say na social money mangeya. When he see at the various expensive hotels then today, then go begin tell you say na social person geya. See don't and ask yourself, waiting then they do na the hotel then the God go mark any goodness for you day. Because now they then they go do them drugs business there. Now they then they go lead up with their jale. Now they then they go play them bamboo game there. Sit down and ask yourself if you na Muslim or Christian, if God they mark any goodness for you inside and thing, then they will say they go pour your money so. The Lord Almighty Allah say make we pour we money them in your religion. Invest in money pan the religion. Eden at this world yet, you no go past 90 years. Eden at this world, you no go past 100 years. Eden at this world, this we own time. If anybody will reach 70 to 80 years, we all go say that person they don't try because this we own time. Long life no day. Decide where the Lord Almighty Allah tell you say na everlasting. Why you not go invest in money day? Why you not go put in money day? And why you not go pour your money na that side day? This month here we na 29 or 30 days. If una dey focus and think about the day the una for die. Now inside this month here we all for invest with money there. We all for invest whatever little or riches we get. Now inside this month here for come and invest and the people away to observe this holy month of Ramadan. So we dey encourage everybody we get the upper hand. This month na the right month this for investing money. Nevertheless, the other month they also they good for the do goodness. But this month here, now in the Lord Almighty Allah tell we say whatever goodness we dey inside this month. You know they say no angel for can check the percentage in the Lord Almighty Allah. Now in self they check the percentage. So do ya make we dey part of this Lord Almighty Allah a young percentage we in for calculator. The people in a salon today. My second message I go bring down as first message. You know, I don't suffer so many casualty in the hands of the Dr. Kaifala Mara supporters. Then they attack me in groups then they remove me from groups there, say they no one they see me go on the ground with Dr. Kaifala Mara for go cover in programs then where they undertake or the public rally the way people then can do for her. Me also want for action now where they take their actions then day today. Me not to the only executive member we hold position na Kwenadugo and Falaba district. Una so me any one of them people and we come on at Kwenadugo and Falaba district we hold position at the party the way don't come take the forefront or take the lead for not chest for say I they can't fight for me brother or I they can't fight for we young posse when a Dr. Kaifala Mara. We get rules and we get bylaws we cover we as executive members there. And me na one person where they among that executive. Even though we get that misunderstanding among ourselves today, we get them jamot there among ourselves today, but everybody get integrity or get waiting if for display where the party give you as responsibility. So me PRO Samura no go take that advantage because I get voice. People they listen to me. I take advantage of them thing and they say and they can publicly can open chest, can open fed to another flag bearer. They say and they can support me own brother when a Dr. Kaifala Mara. I get a responsibility for bring the party together. I get a responsibility for bring the flag bearer aspirants there together. And my responsibility as executive member, I not get a guideline for can publicly for can declare for anybody. Nevertheless, in politics, we all get interest. Everybody get interest. No matter how you turn out, everybody get interest. But my responsibility, my roles, if I want let that me interest, they succeed at this moment. Now for go on the ground and play me politics secretly. Not to the way where una they think. Not to the way where una they look at things. Right? And the other angle, if Dr. Kaifala Mara write any article, is sent unto me. My responsibility as political commentator on the social media, I go share them because now indirectly I deal with not to una the supporter or followers. When Dr. Richard Conteki making articles there, it is sent to me directly. And they share them for let the public able get access to them because they all now will lead them and we charge you that responsibility for all the same and for share equal love to the all. But I know they deal with Dr. Richard Conte in supporters, neither in followers. Now Dr. Richard Conte directly are they deal with. If Dr. Ibrahim Bangura make article, he send unto me directly, I go share unto una the public because not to una the supporters of Dr. Ibrahim Bangura are they deal with. Now Dr. Ibrahim Bangura directly made the deal with. Are they above that limit they now? Me na executive, and without the executive position, God don't put in blessing for let me voice go far and wide today where the people they get access for listening to me voice. So I go make responsibility of that voice for user amicably to the way that how it go bring the party together, how it go unite the party, how everybody go feel belong, how everybody go feel important, and how I go able bring this party together. I go only come against people like the terrorists that will get to the way they say this party not for progress, where they say this party not for move on, where this then say this party for stand still. And we get a bylaws, we get a constitution where they guide we, where they tell we the period of time they will for undertake certain activities there. If we not undertake the activities, other people then go take we to court tomorrow because na negligence to we positions the way we all, right? So una way they take that advantage. This na brother with Kaifala Marabo, you know they come publicly. Una show me any other executive member from Kwenadugu and Falaba district take go inside Bombali and other district the way don't come publicly for not just for support Dr. Kaifala Mara. You know me say we hate Dr. Kaifala Mara, but Kaifala Mara of himself no say today we all positions there. If we cannot just say today, Kaifala Marana we brother, with a supporter. What about the other people away come out Cambia? What about the other people away come out Bombali? What about the other people away come out Tonkolili? What about the one that way come out Kono, Moyamba Pujo Bontbo? What about the other people away come up local? If everybody say me on post away come on a district, now are the support without a not enough or go on. How this party go sustain? How this party go before? How this party go succeed?
Big problem.
Now that makes some of you don't take the back seats today for put the party interest first. We know they look at would that the delegate then give it tomorrow. I believe say waiting salon people they look at now how the SLPP for come out na power. Not to the candidate where the APC produce, not to the candidate where the APC delegate then go vote. Not to the post where the APC make flag bearer. Waiting the salon people and want today now how Julius Madabio with him power boys them for come out na power today. Then terrorists, then junta, then Kamajons, the way don't destroy we country, lead we to USA with it today. Now how them for take the back seat and pull them na power. This now waiting salon people and one from the APC. So now that make whosoever we want for see that a change of government happen comes 2028, you know for look at interest for say na me own policy or not to me policy. Waiting you for think of how we for pull the SLPP na power. If na Kaifala Maradi delegate the elect, we the Kwenadugu and Falaba and other districts that we all go give with maximum support for CC we pull the SLPP na power. If na Dr. Richard Conte the delegate the elect, we the Falaba district, Kwenadugu and other districts that we all go give with maximum support for CC we pull the SLPP na power. If na Dr. Ibrahim Bangura the delegate the elect, we the Kwenadugu and Falaba and other districts that we go give with maximum support for CC we pull the SLPP na power. If na lawyer Abubakar Kaloko, Dr. Sofian Kaloko, Jagaban, Cherno Ramadan Majuba, Cheriko Kunao, by Mahmoud now, Ombregoli now, Samsumana now, whosoever we the delegates that go elect na the National Delegate Conference. We the Falaba district and Kwenadugu district and other districts there, we go rally behind that person for CC make the SLPP come out na power because now that salon people want today. So I want make una know say me and Dr. Kaifala Mara we dey in good time. Dr. Kaifala Mara is my brother, is my elder, is my uncle, is my everything, is my authority. We get respect for each other, and I be not tell una say Dr. Kaifala Mara na the only flag bearer aspirant wey dey drive in car go na me host go sit down with me. We talk about family. Me and I no one day talk politics. You know one day tell me support me or not support me. When me and I can sit down now discuss with the discuss how we for help with people. When me and I sit down now discuss with the discuss how we for unite them two districts the way na the Kwenadugu and Falaba district. Me and Kaifala Mara they do everything in common. Likewise, how me and Dr. Richard Conte they do everything in common. likewise Dr. Sofian Kaloko, likewise Dr. Ibrahim Bangura, likewise Dr. Lawyer Abubakar Kaloko. Me and I know one day talk, but people and they around away me and then they talk. Me and Jagaban, it don't tell we know they talk, but people and they around away they talk to me. Me and Cherno Ramadan Majuba, if I say people and goodness they to me, now the media today, now the APC, Cherno Ramadan Majuba, now one kind person with goodness they to me more than any other person at the APC. So make una know say, me and them people, we all they do everything in common and we dey in good time. But at the end of the day, me na executive member, you know, find today make I take side. If I go pan Dr. Kaifala Mara program today, the other flag bearer aspirant then go expect say I for go pan them program. At the end of the day, I not go able to go pan the all program. So the next one they were not go able to go pan them programs then go take and say we the executive then don't take side, and we want the level playing ground field for day now this lower level election where they happen as the national chairman Minkailu Mansare 001 don't talk and say. In your chairmanship, you know one let make it take side, and you know want anybody where they be in a way old position for take side. So I want make una know say we all they abide to that, and by that rules they we all they work. No me say we hate anybody, we not hate anybody. Most of them they talk to we, and most of them have goodness then they reach we appreciate them, and we pray Allah, may God choose among them who done at the right somebody, because at the end of the day the country now we put first. So me and Kaifala Mara, we do everything in common and we they move on as brother. So una way they accuse me, una way they remove me in a groups then. I believe say na ordinary hacker and sin una they get by me. But that step una go on for let me take. I don't believe say I go take that again, because we don't learn we lesson. For law we come and cause other people, molest other people, discriminate other people, for less Samura Kamara be flag bearer. We don't learn that lesson. They say that's not the any way push the party before, but it go continue for create division at this party. So we therefore embrace everyone for see say whosoever way the delegate then decide for. The other one they not go feel deprived and they not go vex. We all go they be in that person for see say we party be the next government comes 2028. The second message today, my people, it's so sad and heart-rending, and when I go see them community, they are on tears. I remember His Excellency the former President Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma, and I continue for kneel down today and talk to Ernest Koroma, make it forgive we Salome people. We know say it's not easy. Even in your district, when a Bombali district, Makeni, it been get too many people away been defect you. It been get people away been they undermine you. Even when you left power, you go sit down. You get people in your own district where they undermine you. But most of them today don't regret their actions then. Me people is so sad. For me people in a Makeni call me, then send transport for me, then say, do ya make I go in person, make I go see waiting, then they go through. Me people I take the risk. I say if na Jamfa then don't set for me, make I go die. But Makeni na me young people they not go call me a reject not for go. Me people are gonna display Makeni. Certain community then gather then work out me na then community then for make I see for myself. One of the community where they work out me na this Magbente. Me people in Magbente are one of the biggest community where if na for form a ton na a big ton on the own where one grain transformer no they even able solve Magbente them problem. If you go na Matinka then go to me na one community back where they call Matinka. This Matinka community again na another big community. Then go with me na another community where they call Masombo. This Masombo again na another big community again. Then go with me na another community again where they call Makari. Na another big community again where they tell you na me people. If them community then they come together na a whole city on the own me people. And then community then are the community then where people and they build day and night every 2-3 days. At some man then go call them for go and fix meter then na then community then that as they talk to now. When you want to see the expensive houses there right now, me people, now then community the word don't call so the Magbente community, the Matinka community, the Makari community, the Masombo community. These are the only places the way people and they build mansion expensive houses there. When some of them hotel themselves where then they plant in their community then don't do for let them get transformer on the yo. Me people if una see the transformer where them for community then they use, it not do for even supply one community in a Makeni. One of the smallest community way, one of the smallest transformer me people una all know them transformer the way then they pin up the pole. Big transformer they know the pin up the pole. Now the ground then they build hose for and then pin and the transformer where they supply them for community me people now up the pole day. As I they talk to now that transformer, you know they even able supply the entire Magbente again me people because the community don't big. Not even talk less of the Matinka. I no go talk about the Masombo. I no go talk about the Makari. Go them Bumbe them. Me people and list all the community the way that one great small transformer they supply light me people and then give me the list. Then go to me, I go see the transformer and a snapper. He dey up the pole, small transformer. I don't know the EDSA authority then, na Makeni, if they no ever lay this concern to the government for let they able supply another new transformer. As I dey talk to una me people and their community, they no get light ever in this history from where Anes Kuruma give Makeni light. Makeni what they call the city of light. Bombali what they call the city of light. Now Makeni don't become one of the darkest city. As I dey talk to una me people. Makeni as I dey talk to una then they rush on light more than Freetown me people. If anybody not bring this to una notice, me to bring this to una attention today me people. Makeni then they rush on light more than any other partner salon today. Makeni where people and they call the city of light. SLPP waiting Makeni do to una. President Bio today na ina the Minister of Energy. You shak Kanjas, he said, you pull and they say because the people and they cry for blackout. But under your leadership as Minister of Energy, Salon don't suffer the most casualties. Salon don't suffer the most penalty. Salon don't get the worst blackout under your leadership as Minister of Energy, President Bio. So the people away give responsibility na Makeni for manage the electricity business na Makeni. If they no ever tell you this, President Bio, me they come to you kneel today, and they beg you, them community then they need one transformer, and they beg you, President Bio. This community then way at the talk about so no matter it give them the biggest transformer na Salo again, you know they able supply them community there again. Makeni don't big, you don't extra big. Makeni they challenge Freetown now me people as I they talk to now. Then they say bona the second city, but as they talk to now the way and manner how Makeni don't big. Makeni it go even compare that to the second city where na both today. Then community the one men's also where na the Magbente community, the Matinka community, the Makari community, the Masombo, the Bumbe and others. Then community they all now one of the smallest transformer where they up the pole. Now they supply all them transformer there. Now the transformer don't pack in, no they able give them people a light me people as they talk to now. Then community they no get lights. Half of Makeni today you not get light. Who that they prove me wrong? Go Makeni. If anybody will say at the sabotage the President Bio government, drive a vehicle or ride the Okada, go Makeni, let go investigate now them community, then make them tell you them challenges and cry where then they go through today. Makeni people and they suffer. Even the half side the way they get light, for the day light they go and come more than 10 times. The few side the inside Makeni where they get light me people the light they go and come more than 10 to 20 times for the day. People are not going watch film na Makeni again because the go and come where the light they go and come, it go burn the appliances there. It go destroy the appliances there. People they even engage for the host them for let this go and come where the light they go and come make it not burn the host them people. You will want for prove this audio saying a lie at the lie. Go Makeni make it go investigate. The people they send transport for me, they say PRO. You get wide coverage and people and they listen to you. And anything we can say, we they see the truth and we they see the reality. They say, do ya come, we get complain, we get cry, we get concern. Can not the grow make you can see for yourself? Now that make a move, I go Makeni. I go na the ground. The people and provide one old jeep. Work out me na the community, they all for let me see for myself. For say waiting and they tell me neither na true or na lie. As I they talk to una, then community they no get light me people. then community dem no get light. Even the side the way they get light na Makeni, for day and night the light dey go past 30 times, e dey go and come past 30 times. So host then they even prefer let them dip and blackout than the go and come where the light they go and come, because you not get mind put the TV on, you not get mind put the fridge on for the go and come people and the engagement no poil and appliances there. Waiting Makeni do to una SLPP. Waiting Makeni people and do to una. Now Makeni na the only city where the APC government give light. Now Makeni na the only city where Ernest Koroma give light. Ernest Koroma become president, he give Kailao electricity. Ernest Koroma become president, he give Kono electricity. Ernest Koroma become president, he give Port Loko electricity. Ernest Koroma become president, he give Donsari electricity. Ernest Koroma become president, he give Kenema electricity. Ernest Koroma become president, he give Bo electricity. Ernest Koroma become president, Freetown where them been raised as the darkest city in the whole world. Ernest Koroma na light Freetown president, be Usai Sidon today with the family. Usai ministers, they all sit on today. Usai honorable, they all sit on today. Usai all government sit on today. And Eskromana light that city. Today, when I don't make that city don't become as the darkest city in the whole Africa today. Above all, Makeni, where everybody they say the city of light, now it don't become the city of blackout today. Makeni now it don't become the darkest city today. Me people, you will want for can prove point na ya. Make it go Makeni, then community the way amends also. The Magbente community, the Matinka community, the Makari community, the Masumbo, the Bumbe community, all them community that are now one small transformer way now up the pole, the transformer day. That transformer day, you know they able to supply them community then they gain because the community then don't over large. They don't overload them, you know they able to supply them again. As they talk to one of them people and know they get light na them community again. I don't know the people away there in charge of EDSA if they not report this to you, President Bio, because now the energy minister for now, for let able approve another transformer, not to cable born in that community. All the problem we can happen in that community now because of the overloading. All the cable we can born in that community then now because of the overloading. The people explain all that thing that they to me. Even they call some of the EDSA people that try for interview there. Now this themselves tell me, they say all the problem with them again at their community, they now overloading because of the area don't over big and the transformer small. So President Bio, the SLPP, may they bring this to una attention today. The one they una put in charge na Makeni. If they not tell una this, may they tell una this. If they not inform you as the Minister of Energy, President Bio, may they inform me today now for make you aware about this. Say Makeni people are not they get light again because the transformer they don't overload, the thunder over big. And I believe say the one the way put yonder, he put them there for let them help you for run the government. But if they no report, they not tell you this. Today, President Bio may they tell you this say, then community the way I don't call. Over 1 month to 2-3 months now, they know they get light. Waiting at the problem. They say the transformer not able to supply the community again because the place don't big. Now ration then they ration the light. Even some area, some community where they ration per always then they ration certain community, the transformer not able to supply that community. Every day them go tell you say cable don't burn. Every day them go tell you say breakdown they under. Every day them go tell you say fire they under because the community don't over large. So President Bio, you na the Minister of Energy. Do ya then community then say then they plead to you for let you help them with another big transformer so that them go come up on this crisis. Electricity not to free. Una tell them say make them buy cable and buy cable. Una say make them buy pole and don't buy pole. Una say make them buy meter then don't buy meter. All that thing that they don't electrify the host, then draw the light go na the host then. The only thing una for do na for gain this light. Today, when you buy 50,000 loads top up na 10 units, then they give you 5,000 loads for 1 unit. But the people are still not tired for do that. Then still they buy the top up. With always the tariff they up, the people and don't sacrifice say as soon as they know they don't pan blackout, then go tower. The only responsibility for let una do for the as a government now for give them the light back una no able give them again. Waiting una want the citizens there for do now me people the SLPP government, President Bio, you as the energy minister, wetin una want the citizens them for do now? Una make electricity tariff 350 euros for unit. In 2018, I remember when I been the buy top up for me meter na kono. Na 300 euros, it been the 250 euros per unit. Before the APC government they come out in 2018, now been 350 euros for one unit. But today now 5,000 euros for one unit. Where now the old money now 5 euros for one unit. When you buy 50,000, when now 50 euros for the new money, now 10 units then they give you. But yes, still the people are still the tower. So why would I not able to give the people a light? Why would I not able to give Bombali light? Because I know go talk about Freeton, then don't sign the own debt warrant, then they blackout, then don't sign for her. But Bombali again, as the home of the former president, the whole Africa sit on the watch. The whole European Union, they sit on the watch. They say the president, the former president in hometown, small city, now in the suffer casualty and blackout today. The city where everybody been they say the city of light. With the city where everybody been they talk about say, then they enjoy electricity past everybody today, and then they suffer past everybody in the country. President Bio, Duya, then community there, Magbente community, Matinka community, Masongbo Makari, Bumbe community, take go outside the district council there, then community then say, Duya make a plea to you, make you able help them, make them get another transformer. The electricity tariff, then go beer. Then don't sacrifice. Whatever the price of cable go, then they buy. Whatever the tariff they for top up, then they pay. Whatever the price of pole, then they pay just for let electrify the host there. The only thing we una as a government, na for let una supply then the light, then they undertake the balance expenditure. That una young one great responsibility una for do una don't tire as a government. So dear the people say then they beg you not to buy violence, not to buy mamikos, but then they beg you as the energy minister, you President Bio, they say now you know the energy minister, do you make a pass this information to you say McKinney 80% of McKinney don't go blackout. If the people away they were put in charge as EDSA Mande, the EDSA people and the EGTC Mande we put there, if they not pass this information to you, the people they say, do you let me use my own platform for pass this information to you. You were the listing this message, please patient and share until a reach President Bio. Una patient and share this message far and wide. May we bring this message to you? Me na Piaro Samora, Falaba District Publicity Secretary, All People's Congress, APC. Una listen and share this message far and wide. Una help me share this message for Lord we pull with people in crisis, calamity, and suffering way then they go through today. Freeton the young, I go count the episode 1 in me other audio. Una listen and share.